Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, I'm at the East Quarter Residences, and I'm going to give you a tour of this two-bedroom. This is not a model. This is an available right now as of this filming, 1808. So let's pop into this. It's 1808. It's beautiful. So we're looking inside here. Wow. Just beautiful. They always have a gorgeous apartment here at the East Quarter Residences. Look at this island. This island is so fun. And it's got this kitchen that's just delightful. Some of the things I'm noticing that I love is this really, really wide open shelf. That's unusual and different. I love how wide it is, and it doesn't even have a divider. It's just this great wide experience. But then look down here. I like the backsplash. Isn't that really pretty? Nice backsplash, beautiful countertops. It does have gas as well. This is a high rise, so you can expect that in most Dallas high rises. Really pretty kitchen. Just a lot of cabinet space here too, and then this is what the rest of the kitchen looks like. So you've got a lot of storage here under on the island too. Look at the apartment over here. The living room is beautiful. You've got some pretty much floor to ceiling windows, just a little bit of a gap, but almost floor to ceiling windows on both sides. Super pretty. And then even the ceilings, take a look at this. Those ceilings are just gorgeous, and well lighted LED lighting, really crisp wall colors here too, just super pretty. I love the flooring too. It's really light and bright. It just provides a great, very light experience. Let's go into this bedroom. This is actually the master. So the master looks like this. Another almost floor to ceiling window experience. Super, super pretty. And then you've got that same flooring that's here, super, super pretty also. And then let's look inside here. Oh my goodness, love the bathroom. So it's a dual sink. This whole thing is a mirror. Wow, really, really nice. Beautiful. And then look at this. It's a combined shower and tub experience in there. The closet too is huge. It's got alpha shelving, all pretty. And by the way, there's no carpet at all. It's a really easy cleanup in here. This is what it looks like in here. Beautiful. We'll take a peek, just a really quick peek into that other bedroom. That's what the bedroom looks like, also floor to ceiling. And then this is the guest bath. Really nice storage in there, and there is a walk-in shower in here too. This is a beautiful two-bedroom apartment. Really love the look and the feel of this at the East Quarter. Hey, if you're ready to take your own personal tour, live tour of what's available as of the day that you're looking at this, send me a text. Just say, Grant, I really like this. I'd like to see what's available that fits my move-in date. Why don't you send me a text? It's free, it's live, it's virtual. You can do it from your phone, and would love to take care of that for you. Send me a text right now, and I look forward to hearing from you.